Hello, my name is Ishan. Java is very popular language in building desktop application, web application, mobile application, web server, games, database connection. In this video, we will be downloading necessary software to start programming in Java, and also we will be writing our first code. So let's begin. First of all, to start programming, we require IDE and JRE. IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. It is a code editor in which we will be writing and editing our code. So open your web browser. In search box, type Eclipse download. Go to the first link. Here you can see the Eclipse installer 2020-12R now includes JRE for Mac OS, Windows and Linux. Click on download. Again click on download. Save the file. Once download is complete, run the setup file. Choose Eclipse IDE for Java developer. Select the latest JRE version. At the time of recording of this video, the latest version is JRE 15 and click on install. After installation is complete, launch the IDE. Click on launch. It may take some time. Eclipse window will appear. This is the welcome screen. Every time we code, Eclipse thinks that we are working on a project. So go ahead, create a new project. Let's name this project. So this entire video series will be one single project. Let's give it a decent name. Java space tutorial. Click on finish. To keep it simple, don't create a module. And on the left, our project will be displayed under Package Explorer. Expand this. There is a GRE system library and a source code, SRC. In SRC, we will create a new package. And the package name should be reverse of your domain name. Don't worry, you don't need to register any domain in order to do this. It's just a naming convention. Now the package is collection of classes. As Java is object-oriented programming language, every code should belong to the class. Right click on package, go to new, class. This is how we create a class in Java. Let's give it a name. We cannot use space between two words while writing a class name. Hence we use a Pascal naming convention, that is, every first letter of a word should be capital. Click on finish and new class has been created. Now it belongs to package called com.detectix. So inside this class we will be defining a function. Don't worry, we will discuss more about functions, classes and methods in future videos. But for now we will be defining a function called main. And that function should be the return type of that function should be void. And it is a static function. And access modifier is public. Inside the function we pass the parameter string as capital args, and we give the curly braces and we type system with capital S, system dot out dot print. Inside print we give double quotes and write hello space Java. To run the program, click on run, and the shortcut for run is Ctrl F11. So we will run the program and the output is displayed in a console. Hello Java. Congratulations, you have just wrote your first code in Java. Don't worry, for the first time it may seem very intimidating, but every step and every line in Java has a meaning, and it will be more clear when we learn about classes and functions. That's it for this video. If you have any doubt regarding downloading, installation or programming, feel free to use comment box, like and share the video. To stay connected with us, please subscribe to the channel. Till then, happy coding.